Hi everyone, this is Christine from Prestige Properties and welcome to our channel. And today, nandito tayo sa Sadia Showroom located in Santa Rosa, Laguna. If you're looking for a new investment, you may consider Sadia Greenfield. This is a mid-rise condominium located in the heart of Santa Rosa, Laguna. And in this project, we're offering studio unit with a minimum size of 24.90 square meter. This project is nearby Paseo Mall, Arcadia, Laguna Central, and business parks. To know more details about this project, you can message us through Viber. See you!